Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the socialclub.dynamic library error when you try to play noire. So here I've read a few places where people had this issue and also had this issue when deleted noire install and restored a backup later. So here I follow this a method in order to fix this issue. So here you can go into your noire folder and look for a noire third folder. So if you use Steam, you can access Steam apps folder first, noire, noire, and then third folder. In this folder you will find execute file titled socialclub.setup.exe. Just install that and your socialclub.dynamic link library error will disappear and the game will work fine. And also, if you might get this message when you try to execute this setup, a newer version of 1.0.6.6 installed for Rockstar Game Social Club exiting installation. So here you can trick your PC into thinking Rockstar Social Club is not installed. So you can go to this registry folder, you can open regedit and delete this Rockstar Game Social Club under WoW 6432 node, and then try to rerun Social Club setup exe that found on your third folder under LNR folder. So hopefully this helps anyone that encounter this error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit this button below. See you in the next video.